inflammation and anti-aging, let's see what connects them both. Most people think aging is something that happens to the skin. In reality, aging happens inside the biology first, and the skin simply reflects it. One of the most important concepts in both modern longevity science and natural medicine is inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the main driver of accelerated aging, poor skin quality, hormonal imbalance, fatigue, and metabolic dysfunction. And from a natural medicine perspective, inflammation is not the enemy. It is a message, a signal that the body is overloaded, deficient, or out of balance. So when we see premature wrinkles, dull, thin skin, puffiness and water retention, stubborn fat, poor healing, loss of glow and vitality, we don't ask what treatment should we inject or do. We ask, why is the body inflamed? This philosophy is the foundation of everything we do at EGP Aesthetics in London. Our approach is working with your biology, not against it. We do not believe in fighting against aggressively. We believe in supporting regeneration intelligently, and that means working with your biology, how I said, not forcing it. And this is why our work always begins from within. Before choosing any treatment, we focus on understanding how your body is functioning, how fast you are aging biologically, and what is preventing your cells from regeneration optimally. Your chronological age is simply the number on your passport, but your biological age tells us how old your cells, tissues, and systems truly are. Two women can both be 45. One may have the biology of 35-year-old, while the other may be aging at 55. At our clinic, we use non-invasive advanced diagnostic tools to assess biological age, metabolic efficiency, fat distribution, including visceral fat, cellular stress markers, and hydration and tissue quality. These tests are safe, painless, and highly informative. They allow us to identify what is accelerating aging, what is inflaming the system, and what can be optimized naturally and medically. This gives us a clear strategy, not guesswork. Once we understand the internal environment, we introduce regenerative skin treatments. We are specialized in treatments that stimulate repair rather than artificially altering appearance. And this includes PRP, platelet-rich plasma, exosome-based regenerative therapies, advanced skin boosters, and biorejuvenation overall protocols. These treatments work by communicating with your cells. They activate fibroblasts, stimulate collagen, elastin production, and improve skin thickness, quality, and resilience. But most importantly, they work best when inflammation is reduced, and because regeneration does not occur in an inflamed body. This is why we do that protocols. Supplementation is never an afterthought for us. We use targeted evidence-based supplementation to support cellular repair, mitochondrial energy, detoxification pathways, hormone balance, skin hydration, and elasticity. This is not about random supplements, it's about precision support based on your biology. When the internal deficiencies are corrected, skin treatments suddenly become more effective, longer lasting, and more natural. This is what we are looking for nowadays. Another crucial but often ignored factor in aging is the nervous system. Chronic stress keeps the body in survival mode, and survival mode shuts down regeneration. This is why we also integrate specific breathing techniques, nervous system regulation methods, and gentle metabolic activation. And these techniques helps lower the cortisol, reduce systemic inflammation, improve oxygen recovery, activate fat metabolism. Reducing visceral fat is especially important because visceral fat is one of the most inflammatory tissues in the body. When excess visceral fat is reduced, inflammation drops, hormones stabilize, and the skin responds dramatically better to all our treatments. When a client comes to us, they are not booking a facial or an injection, they are entering a regenerative strategy. A strategy that combines medical aesthetics, regenerative medicine, diagnostics, supplementation, lifestyle optimizations, and nervous system balance. You have it all. This is why our results don't look artificial, they look rested, healthy, refined, alive. Because true beauty is not created on the surface, it is restored from within. And when you work and we work with your biology instead of against it, the body remembers how to regenerate. That's something naturally. This is the philosophy behind our clinic, and that is the future and present in the aesthetics. In our clinic in London, we offer a free consultation, discovery consultation, where we put the base of your strategy, of your regenerative strategy. My name is Galina. I'm one of the co-founders of EGP Aesthetics, proudly, and I would say combat inflammation if you want to feel better in your skin and in your body.